mag-conduct tayo through online. Okay, so ayun. Okay. So anyways, for the course outlines or course outcomes. So number 3, we will recognize the importance of the various team members rule. Okay. So each team students in the group, no? So there must be a rule, no? So cite examples of team behaviors that are helpful in implementation of the fieldwork exercise. Okay. Number 4, write a neat and orderly field report. Okay. Detailing the results and analysis of the fieldwork activity. Okay, so i-discuss ko na ngayon, class, no? So during and after conducting of fieldworks, so I need you to comply lab report. Okay, so on that lab report, yung inclusion yan ay madi-discuss natin later part of this slide. Okay? Now, number 5, apply the basic surveying concepts, principle and theory on stadia and topographic surveying, as well as subdivision of lots. Okay? So, again, applying the basic surveying concepts lang. No? So, i-apply natin lahat. Utilize modern survey equipment such as total station, handling GPS, horizontal distances, angles, and coordinates. So, I need you to be familiarized, no? Kasi, alam nyo ba, class, na maganda sa isang CE, no? Ay alam yung paano paganahin, paano gamitan yung survey instruments. Minsan nilalagay yan natin sa resume natin, no? Curriculum vitae. So at least meron na kayong ilalagay once na um, marunong na kayo nito, no? So that is a plus points to you, lalo na pag mag-attend kayo ng seminar using this, no? So that is after your graduations. Okay? Okay. Now, second to the last is to conduct fieldworks exercise in laying out horizontal curves and report the results, no? So, hindi lang kayo mag-fieldworks, hindi. Meron tayong lab report na kailangan i-comply after field works. Okay, so kailangan naka-organize siya. Okay. So, number 8, no, sorry, pawala na yung boses ko. So, I do my best, no, to give this um, chances na ma-explain ko lahat sa inyo, no, but still, limited lang yung voice ni ma'am. No? So, just bear with me, no, kasi uh, during our uh, future meetings naman, no, i-discuss ni ma'am again yung concepts lahat bago kayo mag-conduct ng fieldworks. Okay? So, last is to utilize modern surveying equipment and software such as total station and surveying calculator software in obtaining vertical and horizontal distances, angles, and coordinate. Again, tuturuan ko kayo paano gamitin, paano kukunin, saan banda kukunin yung horizontal and vertical using the total station. No? Kukuha tayo ng vertical and horizontal distances, angles, and coordinate. All in one na yan, class, if we will use total stations. Okay? Proceed tayo. No? So this is the course description I'm talking about, no? During our first slide, no? During the introduction of the discussion. Okay? So hindi ko na yan isa-isahin, no? Baka mawalan pa ako ng boses. Okay. Now, our class schedule. Okay. So you are C 253, no? And you are Wednesday class. Okay? So ibig sabihin, Wednesday lang kayo. Pang Wednesday lang tayo talaga. Huh? Okay. Now, 3 to 4 would be the discussion, or at least 30 minutes i-discuss ni ma'am para hindi tayo maabutan ng dilim. And that's the time na bitawan ko na kayo, no? Punta na tayo sa site or sa area kung saan kayo magkakandak ng fieldworks. Okay? And during the remaining time, 7 p.m. until 7 p.m., kasi meron pa yung mga calculations, no? Mga drawings. Okay? So, that is the part of the lab report. Okay? Okay. Proceed tayo. Prerequisites. So, hindi ka dapat mag-surveying kung wala kang engineering drawings. No? This is the prerequisites. Okay, proceed. So, this is 2 laboratory units or 2 units laboratory. Time allotment, 8 hours per week. No? 4 hours for Wednesday and 4 hours for Saturday. Class, you have a 15 minutes grace period. The first hour will be the discussion of manuals, concepts, and procedures. And the remaining 3 hours, huh, is the fieldworks and answering fieldworks questions. No? Sa manual kasi class, merong mga frequent questions, no, regarding your fieldworks. Okay? So, that's it. Course requirements. Okay. So, the plates in field works. Okay. And also, a field notebook. Huh? Okay. Etong plates, this is intended for first na gagawin natin. No? Okay. And then the field works, we will start at lab manual number 2. Lab manual 1 kasi class is all about plates. No? And i-discuss natin ito later. Field notebook, papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura nito. No? Okay. Attendance. So, very strict si ma'am dito sa attendance. Take note, ha? Take note. If you are absent on that specific field work, or you are late, and when you come in the class, tapos na gumawa ng fieldworks yung groupmates mo, ibig sabihin, you're not included in the lab report. Take note of that. There must be your presence is required in order for you to what? To make the lab report. Okay, lab report is a group submission, a group work. Okay? So, take note, walang attendance, wala sa intended fieldworks, hindi valid or wala kang grade at that specific fieldworks. Nagkaintindihan ba tayo? No? So, ilagay man dyan ang kaklase mo, yung pangalan mo. Basta si ma'am, 'no, magbabase sa attendance, automatically wala kang grade. Kahit nandiyan pa yung pangalan mo, pero wala kang attendance, wala kang proof na nandun ka during field works. Again, field works yung pagbabasihan natin when it comes to laboratory report submission. Okay, major exam. So this is a practicum. Okay, so practicum, ibig sabihin, major exam, midterm, and final. What is the coverage? Okay, so the coverage of midterm exam is all field work na natackle na natin. From concepts, methodology, from calculations, formulas, and so on. Huh? Take note of that. And pagdating sa finals, so magsisimula tayo sa pinakaunang field works na ginawa up to the last. Okay? Student performance ability. So ito yung in connection with attendance. Ano yung nako-contribute mo sa lab report if wala ka doon? Paano ko mame-measure yung performance and ability mo, 'no? Magiging unfair lang tayo doon sa, bata na umattend, 'no, compare sa hindi umattend, 'no? Ayoko ng gano'n. So, kung sino yung nandun sa site gumagawa ng fieldworks, yun lang yung may grade, yun lang yung kasama doon sa field report. Intindihan? Compilation of plates. So, this is one of the requirements of finals, no? So, from plate 1 up to the plate na patatapos natin. Policy na tayo, course policy. Okay, so attend the class on time or attend the field works on time. Attend field works always. So take note, one missed meeting equivalent into 2 absences. Kasi once a week lang tayo magmi-meet and you are Wednesday class. So maximum of 3 meetings absent is drop or repeat. Take note, 3 meetings, no, is drop or repeat. Maximum of 3 field works absent is drop or repeat. No? So submission of deliverables on or before deadlines. Late submission will be entertained. Ito namang late submission, this is the case-to-case basis. No? So may rason ka naman. No? So bibigyan natin. But the maximum, let's say, score or grades that you can get is 85%. So hindi na tayo doon sa 100%, no? Kasi it's already late, no? It's unfair naman doon sa on time na nag-submit. Okay? Sige nga, question nga kung naintindihan. Ma'am, may question ako, may agam-agam. Meron ba? Wala? Okay, wala naman, ano? Okay, overview of grading system. So, take note of this. So, we have major exam. So, this is actually practicum. Huh? So, this is para tayo um, exam assessment pa rin siya, class. Pero practicum. So, kalahati is actual, no? So, one of the examples sa practicum. So, may isang students, no? Per students ito, individual. Sa harap niya is may total station. Ngayon, ipapaturo ko sa kanya or ipapa-define kung saan dito, kung ano itong parts of this equipment, no? So, kailangan familiarize kayo sa parts, no? Not just parts, but the usage, no? The uses of the equipment. Okay, nagkaintindihan ba tayo? Okay. So take note class, on the plate, we have 70%. No, this is your field work report, and this is the submission is by group. Huh? Okay. Now, for the student performance and ability. So kasama dito yung field notebook and this is individual, no? Field notebook submission. Okay. So attendance is 15%. Okay, question regarding our grading system. Wala. Okay, proceed tayo. Plate and field work. Okay, just a minute class, no? Magcha-charge lang si ma'am. Okay. So, field work report. No? So, ito na yung i-accomplish nyo after nyo gumawa sa site, no? After nyo mag-conduct ng field work. So, may assessment din, no? So, ano yung itsura nito? Okay, so this is the front page. Nakikita ba? So, this is a group work. No? So, we have a group activity, which is the lab report. Okay, though, ang nandito is hindi siya intended for the CE serve, but don't worry class, magsisend si ma'am ng what? Magsisend si ma'am ng format for your front page, no? Na intended for our course. So as much as possible, ito yung itsura ng front page. Okay? So let's say for example, no? So this is CE serve, uh, fundamentals and so on, and your section. So let's say 2 SIP 253A. Ibig sabihin, Wednesday group kayo or Wednesday class. Now, for the title, so each plate, each field work has a title. Huh? So, meron dapat title. Then we have field work number 1 instead of experiment. Okay, members. Okay, so dito naka-indicate yung pangalan ng group members. Okay, zoom in ni ma'am para makita. Okay, class, are you required to have a self-group photo? And this group photo is updated every time that you conduct of such intended field work. Ibig sabihin, experiment or laboratory number 1 or field work 1. So kung 4 lang kayo, edi mag-selfie kayo na 4 lang kayo. Laboratory field work number 5, 3 lang kayo. So dapat 3 lang yung makikita ko sa sa picture, no? Sa group pic, no? So dapat it must be updated, no? Kasi um, para nyo din yung souvenir, no? No? Na meron kayong parang remembrance during your field works. Okay? Picture ba kayo na naghawak kayo ng Chudolite? Kayo maggrupo? So, depende naman, no? So, magre-rate din ako nung bibigyan ko yung points na yon. So, depende na lang sa presentation, no? So, front page is a must. The updated pictures, group pictures is a must. Okay? So, meron dito naka-indicate na date perform. So, as you can see class, no, April 2024 pa siya. So, parang 2 years ago na. No? Okay. So, later on, kung nasa 4th year na din kayo, at least meron kayong makikita, no, ay ito, kagrupo ko to siya, pero mas ahead na ako sa kanya, no? Or saan na kaya tong kagrupo ko? 'no? Ano na kayang status yung parang gano'n, yung parang, um, may remembrance kayo. Kasi at the end of the term, ang hihingin ko lang sa inyong class is the e-file or the PDF file, ha. So, yung hard copy sa inyo na 'yan after I checked. Okay. Again, the hard copy, isasauli ko ito after you submit it to me and I will return the check paper and bahala na kayo mag-compile. Basta magsabit kayo ng compilation of your lab report from fieldwork 1 up to, let's say, fieldwork 10, no? Kung matatapos natin yung fieldwork 10 or aabot tayo ng fieldwork number 13. So, better. Okay? So, merong date submitted, April 18. And then submitted to, syempre ako yan. No? So, dito class sa group number, so syempre kayo maglalagay, no? So later on, igugrupo ko kayo, then ilalagay nyo dito yung groupings nyo. Dito naman sa ratings, don't worry, kasi meron tayong rubrics for our field works, no? I-present natin each and every field works, ha? Yung rubrics for your ratings. Okay? Question here. Question? Okay. Fieldwork report. Naririnig pa ako, class? Naririnig pa ba ako? Okay, thank you, thank you. Fieldwork report. So, meron siyang inclusion, no? So, aside sa front page, each manual for each intended plate or intended fieldwork must attach. Again, manuals lang ito ha, hindi susulatan yung manuals. Ngayon, aside sa manuals, meron tayong instruments, procedures, results and discussions, documentations, and conclusions. So, lahat ng ito ay handwritten. Okay? Handwritten. Procedures, so hindi lahat na nasa manual isusulat nyo, kundi itong, take note procedure must be in a sentence, no? 2 to 3 paragraphs is okay na sa akin, no? At least the summary of the procedure of the said or intended fieldworks. Results and discussions, no? So, what would be the results? No, i-discuss nyo ngayon. So, wag nyo akong bigyan ng numbers, calculations. Well, that's part of the result. But please discuss how you can come up this one and why you can come up this value. Okay, that's part of the result and discussions. Ngayon, sa documentations. So, I need you to have document, uh, all field works must be documented. So, ibig sabihin, so may documentation, may pictures, nagbasa ng distances, no? Using tape measure, no? So, at least meron kayong documented yung pagbasa ng tape measure and so on, no? Okay, sa conclusions, no? So, I want all of the members have a conclusions, no? Okay. So, I have some here an example of the compilation. Pakita ko lang sa inyo class, no, para somehow may idea kayo. Okay, so kindly take note of this. Share ko lang yung screen. Okay. So, wag niyo lang sila i-judge ha. Ito ay pakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay. So, this is the part of lab report na sinasubmit, no? So, it has a front page. Meron silang groupie, no? Okay. So, nakita ko tatlo sila sa picture. Ibig sabihin tatlo lang din yung nag-cooperate, no? So, ito lang yung tatlo yung merong grade. Okay. So, take note, no? This is December 6, 2024. So, mabago-bago pa. Okay, so aside sa front page, meron tayong rubric. Huh? So this is the basis of your ratings. No? So don't worry class kasi itong lab report is um, justly a part lang naman ng grade nyo. So hindi ito magja-judge sa buong grade ng course. No? So part lang siya ng grade nyo. Okay, so this is how I grade, no? Okay. So as you can see, class, their compilation is 73 pages, no? So ito ay hanggang fieldwork number 9 lang ata kami kasi knowing na December madaming holidays, right? Pagdating sa January may mga bagyo. So hindi kami nakakapag fieldworks, no? So more or less yung sa inyo is 100 plus page, no? So expect that. Okay. So yung rather manual, no? So they attach manual again. Huwag niyo sulatan yung manual. So attach it properly. Okay. So i-discuss yan lahat ni ma'am before we conduct fieldworks. Huh? Okay, ano yung first na attachment? Front page, no? Sunod sa front page, manuals, no? So as you can see dito sa manuals class, merong lab questions. You can answer these lab questions on the same day kung kailan nyo kinandak yung specific fieldworks. Okay? So, tulong-tulong kayo dito. Paano ito sasagutan? No? Okay. So, this time, tapos na tayo sa front page, manuals. So, ito na yung other attachments. So, again, sabi ko, handwritten siya, no? So, from instruments, lapag nyo dito yung instruments. Procedures, no? Actually, sinulat lang din nila lahat, no? Pero ang ni-require ko or i-require ko is naka-paragraph na siya. Kasi parang redundant lang din, no? Okay. So, summarize the procedure as much as possible. Okay, yan din yung titignan ko kung nagpa-follow ba ng instructions. Okay, results and discussions, no? So, they have a tables, a calculations, no? Detailed calculations. Okay, so, so as you can see, discuss and result or results and discussions, it must have a clear discussions, no? Kindly have a brief sentence to discuss your results. Magko-compare ba kayo, no? From the data 1 na na-gather nyo to the data 2 to the data 3. So, nasa inyo na yan. At least, i-discuss nyo yung result of your data. Okay? So, discuss your results of your data gathered. Okay, ito class is, ito na yung simula ng calculations noong questions, no? Lab questions. Okay, so sinagutan naman nila. Ito yung documentations. So ito yung pinakaimportante sa lahat. Huwag kayong papayag as a member of the group na wala kayong documentations kahit isa dito. At least yung figure 1 si student 1, figure 2 si student 3, or 2 si figure 3 student 3, figure 4 student 4, and so on. At least present kayo dito. Okay? Nagkaintindihan? Now, each document must have what? Must have descriptions. Figure 1. So, ano ba to? Nagtatago-taguan lang ba? So, it must have description. Kahit sino, alam kung anong ginagawa sa descriptions. So, parang nagde-detailed kayo kung paano gawin itong specific field work. Okay? So, let's say, figure 1, we use a measuring tape to measure a distance of 20 meters and mark the end point with chalk. Okay? Figure 2, a stand pole, and so on. Okay? So, it must be what? It must be, or it must have a description. Okay? So, question about documentation. Question? Excited na ba kayo mag-field works? This is your first lab works. So, excited na sila. Isa lang ba ang excited dito or napipilitan lang yung iba? Okay. Ayun. So, after discussion, meron tayong item dito for conclusion. So, as you can see, merong tatlong paragraph. So, ibig sabihin, tatlo sila nagko-contribute ng conclusion nila. So, alam ko na each paragraph is intended for each students. So, by paragraph ako magbabasa class, So, ibig sabihin, yung second paragraph, ibang student na yung gumawa. So, in her own conclusions, Iba-ibang conclusions, iba-ibang students. Okay? Noted ba yan? Naintindihan ba? Okay, naintindihan. Okay? Ito si student A ang gumawa. Ito si student B ang gumawa. Ito si student C sa paragraph number 3. So, no need to write si student A ba yan? Huwag nyo ilagay yung pangalan nyo. Noted na tatlo kayo sa isang group or 5 kayo. Dapat 5 din yung paragraph ang makikita ko dyan. Ma-miss lang yung isa, ibig sabihin, hindi kompleto. Hindi sumusunod. Okay? So, this is another plate of their field work. This time, 4 na sila. So, updated yung picture nila. Okay? So, this time, 100 sila. Kasi, complete attendance, that is 1. Okay, so paano sila mag-observe ng laboratory safety procedure? Paano kayo observance of laboratory experimental procedure, manner of data gathering, documentation. So, documents data completely and carefully. So, use of equipment, interpretation of data, and review of related literature. Okay? So, don't worry, ipopost natin itong rubrics na to kasi ito yung basihan nyo. At i-attach nyo to during submission of lab report. Kasi class, wala akong pagsusulatan ng ratings nyo kung hindi nyo ako bibigyan ng rubric. So, the e-file, isi-send ko to sa teams natin. Okay, kuha ba? Okay. So you can see, dumiretso sila agad sa attachment. So, nasa last yung manual nila. Okay, so much for that. Punta tayo sa slide natin. Okay, question nga bago tayo mag-proceed. So, more or less, no? This is group activity. The fieldwork report, at least one report each group, no? One report each group. Okay? So later on, yung individual naman ay may isa-submit. Ha? So i-discuss ko ito at the later part of this slide. Okay, move on tayo dito, no? Walang question. Okay. Okay. Ito yung mga plates natin, no? Itsura ng plate. For the plate number 1, bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea, no? Plate number 1, instrument used in measuring horizontal and vertical distances. So this is more on equipment and tools na gagamitin natin sa surveying field works, no? So, pwede naman ito isabay next meeting, no? So, for the meantime, core syllabus discussion lang muna tayo, no? Um, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng idea kung ano yung magiging plates natin on the succeeding weeks. Okay? So, this is intended plate number 1. And this plate number 1 is an individual plate. Again, individual plate. No? Okay, so each one of you must comply with this plate number 1. So, wag nyo muna simulan, no, hanggang hindi ko pa na-discuss. So, isasabay ko to pag-discuss next week. Na? Okay? So, hindi ko muna kayo bibigyan ng pa-plate today. Na? Okay? So, that is your plate number 1. Plate number 2, ito yung field work regarding measurement of distance by pacing. Okay. The manual will be submitted or posted on our teams. No, ako yung magpo-post for the manuals, and please each group, no, ibibigay ko na sa inyo yung bola to have or to reproduce this such plate. Huh? Ibig sabihin, ipiprint nyo siya bago kayo pumasok. Huh? Ipiprint nyo siya, the intended manual, bago kayo mag-conduct ng field works. Intindihan ba tayo? Kayo na yung mag-reproduce, no? So, hindi na kaya ni ma'am na ako pa yung mag-print, no? So, hindi ko kayo ma-accommodate. So, by group man ito, so might as well pagtulungan ito ng group na mag-print or mag-produce ng copy. So, as much as possible, A4 size tayo lagi, class, no? A4 size bond paper. No, yan naman yung practice natin during our drawings, no? A4 size yung ginagamit natin. Okay. So, fieldwork number 3. So, ito yung magiging title. Now, this is the first 4 fieldwork na gagawin. And fieldwork number 4, ito na yon, no? Differential leveling. Okay, so much for that. No? Again, ipopost ko naman ito later on, sabay-sabay na. Okay, so Fieldwork report, attachment, rubric. What is this? Rubric D. No? So, rubric D dito, kasi nga iba ito. No? Okay? So, wait for my announcement kung ano yung i-attach for the intended fieldwork. At least merong rubric. Okay? So, dito class, no? Meron tayong rubric D. Okay, sige. Ang gagawin natin class, since ito kasi yung D, so more specific talaga siya sa groupings. No? Okay? Yung D ang gagamitin natin sa fieldwork report. Yung B, yung fieldwork B is magiging attachment nyo mamaya. Napakita ko sa field notebook nyo. Okay? Sige, proceed tayo, no? Take note of that. Fieldwork report attachment rubric D. Okay. So aside sa group project or group activity, we have design projects. Okay, so i-discuss ko ito into deep detail kung mapupunta na tayo sa stage na to. No? Okay, so bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea what is design projects. This is to conduct the field exercise to gather data on the coordinates and elevations. So this is also by group, but again, this is a design project. Okay? So earthworks and contours use leveling data to compute the required cut and fill and plot and so on. So all of this is or will be discussed, no? Will be discussed in details during um during our week, no, na magdi-design na kayo. Okay? So, intended? Okay? So, hindi ko muna siya i-discuss today, no? Baka kasi makalimutan lang. No? So, pahapyaw lang muna, class. No, at least meron kayong idea na may design project kayo. Aside sa group project, itong field works natin. Okay. So, consultation hours. So, this might be my consultation hours. No? So you can consult me, mga questions, clarifications through Teams, no? Para mabilis yung communications. Other course requirements. Okay. So, refer to image 1. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, class, na fieldwork notebook. Huh? Fieldwork notebook. This is one of the requirements. And please have this on our next meeting. Okay? So, iba't ibang kulay yan, class. Again, each students have this kind of field book. Okay, now, by group kayo, right? So, later on, mag-groupings tayo. And each group, si group 1, let's say, color black. No? Para mabilis lang ma-identify ni ma'am. Group 2, color green. Lahat ng members ng group 2 is color green. Group 3 is orange. And group 4 is red. Okay? So, that's it. Para madali ma-trace ni ma'am na ito ay group number 1 kasi black yung cover ng field notebook niya. So, again, i-discuss ni ma'am yung magiging laman yan. And that would be part of your individual, no? Individual submission. Okay? So magsasubmit kayo niyan together with your field work or field report, no? Okay? So, since yung field report lab report class ay na-discuss ko siya, no, ano yung laman, eto, next meeting ko na lang siya i-discuss, no, para hindi tayo mawala ng or maapekehan ng oras. No, since hindi pa naman ito um, baga required. No? Pero class, mabibili ito sa Lazada. No? So, mas mabilis lang siya mabili sa Lazada. Wala na akong boses. Natatakot na ako. Baka bukas wala na akong boses. No? Okay. So, that's it. Okay. So, I mean, field book, no? Buy your field book and then bring this on our next meeting Wednesday. Just wait for the caller later ha kasi magba-buy group tayo later. No? So this is uh, the additional instructions. What color of your field notebook each group. Okay? So other course requirements, laboratory procedures, laboratory equipment, laboratory uses, and safety protocol. No? So think of safety always. No? So para lang naman yan sa kapakanan ng sarili natin and then sa kapakanan ng buong um, classmate natin, no? Buong class. Okay? Question? Question? Clarifications? Kung may question class, no, kindly comment na lang below your questions. Okay, pipaste ko na dito class ha. This is the group 1. Okay, group 1. So this is based on the class list, no? Okay, so group 1 composed of students from letter A, no? Letter A and some students from letter B. Aceron, Alvarado, Alvaran, Bautista, and Valleza. Group 2, okay, for the group 2, no? Group 2 will be Berganya, Borja, Bragaes, Cacabilos, and Canaleta. Okay? So, there must be a leader, no? And next meeting na lang tayo, no? Next meeting ko na lang kunin yung leader on each group. So it must be or it must have a leader. Okay, go for group 3. Group 3 class, si Kanapia. Kanapia De Leon, De La Cruz, Irandio, and Esperanza. Group 4. Okay. Si group 1 mamaya tatanungin ko kung ano yung prefer color nyo. No, syempre magsisimula sa 1. Ang matitira kay 4. No? Okay. 1, what do you like color of your field notebook? What do you think? Anong gusto niyong kulay? So I need the confirmation of group 1. What what is the color of your field book? Okay, for group 4, Loretta, Gabello, Garbo, Garcia, and Gumbor. Lahat ba ay natawag? Okay, group 1, color of your field notebook. What do you want? Group 1? Kung walang sasagot, pupunta ako sa group 2. Black. I need another answer. At least 2 ang magko-confirm. Okay. So, group 1, sa kanila na yung black. No? So, black. Okay. Thank you for the reply. No, pwede na kayo mag-Shopee, no? So, mura lang sa Shopee class or Lazada ba kaya? Group 2. May group 2 ba dito? Or color? Group 2? Hindi kayo ako yung mag-a-assign para mabilis tayo. Red. So, another, at least 1. At another 1 na magko-confirm. I second the motion, ma'am. Do you second the motion sa red? Si Berganya lang bang nandito? Wala ba si Bora, Bragaes, Kakabilos, and Canalita? Wala? Wala sila? Nako, mag-a-add points pa naman ako sa mga first meeting, no? Nag-a-attend ng first meeting. red na lang po, Miss. Sige, okey. No worries. So, okay. How about group 3? Green. Maganda ang green class. Anyone? Isa lang ba ang nandito sa group 3? Green din. Actually, may blue pa class, no? May blue, may maroon, no? Okay. So, for group 3 is green. How about group 4? Okay, less than 100 lang ito class, no? So, ito yung gagamitin natin the whole term. May blue class, may blue, may maroon pa. Para siyang passport. Blue. Okay, okay. So, nanalo yung blue. May dalawang blue na nagsagot. Sige nga, si Gilmore. Blue na lang din. Sige. Okay. So, blue. Ayun. Okay. So, lilinawin ko lang class ha. Each students must have field notebook. So, para lang siyang sport natin to pass this course. No? So, you must have. Kasi, hindi ka CE students kung wala kang field notebook. No? Hindi ka matatawag na CE students kung hindi mo alam paano anong gagawin, anong isusulat dito sa field notebook, kung mag-survey, ano. Okay. And then, I want to emphasize also that actually end na tayo, no? Tapos na tayo. That the reason why no, I need to divide the 40 size of student in two class and meet once a week kasi mas productive class pag limited lang or konti lang yung students per meetings, no? So isipin niyo na lang sa laboratory, ang liit lang ng laboratory natin. I'm sure hindi kayo kasya. I'm sure ang iba sa inyo nakatayo. And then pagdating sa equipment, limited lang din yung equipment. So paano na yung ibang group, no? And then iiwasan natin yung congestion. Magulo, magulo. Hindi ko kayo ma-supervise lahat. Mangyayari niyan, sisigaw ako niyan, no? So 1:40. Ang pangit naman class, no? So I hope you understand why, no? Magmi-meet tayo ng once a week pero productive tayo, right? Kaysa magmi-meet tayo twice a week pero ang nangyari, no? So hindi tayo productive, magulo, hindi organized kumbaga. Okay? I hope naintindihan niyo na may na-retain ba sa mga pinagdi-discuss natin ngayon sa course syllabus, course requirements, field report, and the field notebook, and the course requirements. Okay? So, pag may mga agam-agam, ma'am, nakalimutan ko, paano nga ito, paano nga yan? No? Don't, kumbaga, huwag kayong mahiya magtanong, huwag kayong mahiya sa akin lumapit, no? Basta hindi lang ako busy tsaka hindi ako gutom 'no, kasi baka mangagat ako 'pag gutom ako tapos lalapitan niyo ako. Joke lang. So yun lang 'no. So yun. So cooperate with your group mates and see you on our face-to-face manner next meeting. So sana bumalik na yung magandang boses ko 'no. So para makapag-class ako in in a normal way 'no. Okay? So anything else? Question? Clarification? And we will end our meeting. Walang question, agam-agam. Wala? Okay. Sige nga, kindly press the raise hand button doon sa mga students na naintindihan lahat or walang question. Raise your hand. Raise your hand for those students that who don't have questions. Ibig sabihin, yung hindi nag-raise hand button, yun yung mga may question. At yun yung tatawagin ko ngayon. Ibig sabihin, may mga question ito. Itong hindi nag-raise button. So, where is Kanapia? Do you have question, Mr. Johari? Miss Canalita? Are you there? Alvarado? Oh, nawala yung signal ni Kanapia. Okay. So, naintindihan naman, no? Okay. So, what we are going to do on our next meeting, I expect you to bring your field notebook. Nagkaintindihan tayo? Okay? Okay. Okay. So, thank you class for attending our online class, no? Orientation, course syllabus, no? At least recorded siya. No? So, sayang yung 30 minutes na boses ko, no? Na hindi na-record. No? Pero anyways, if may mga nakiligtaan kayo, you need to approach me lang naman, no? So, ayun lang. So, thank you again. I hope to see you on our next meeting. Thank you for attending our class. Ingat kayo. Bye-bye. I will end this meeting now. Bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
wait
Thank you
lang
so
po, ma'am.
much. Yes? Question?
Ma'am, may tanong lang po ako. Regarding po sa field book po, ma'am.
Yes.
Same po ba sa sa picture na po na pinapakita niyo po? Or pwede naman po kaming umanap ng ibang field book pero same din po dun sa picture niya po?
Anong ibang
If
fieldbook na same sa picture? Ano?
yung kanina po, yan. Kasi naubusan po kasi ng color, so baka puwedeng umanap sa iba, nakaka-same din po niyan.
Okay. Dito kayo nag-refer sa ano. Okay, no worries. Basta field
Okey
mo
po.
notebook naman siya, no?
Okey po.
No
Thank
worries,
you.
class. Oo, sige.
Get well
Akala
soon
ko
po.
ano yung concern. Okay, sige. Bye-bye. See you. See you on Wednesday. Bye-bye, class.